In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add a filter to your Zoom video call to enhance your appearance or add some fun effects. First, make sure you're in your Zoom meeting with your camera turned on. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen and find the small app arrow next to the Stop Video button. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Choose Video Filter. This will open up Zoom's filter gallery where you can see all available options. You'll find several categories of filters here. The Touch Up My Appearance option is perfect for smoothing your skin and brightening your look for professional calls. You can also choose from virtual backgrounds to change the setting of your video or if you don't want your background to be exposed. Simply click on any filter to apply it instantly. You'll see the preview change immediately. Once you find one you like, just click away from the menu and your filter will remain active throughout your call. To remove the filter later, just follow the same steps and click None at the top of the filter menu. That's all there is to it. Your Zoom calls just got a whole lot more polished.